Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Tinder photos not zoomed in. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your Tinder account and you will be redirected to the home page. To add a new picture, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the pen icon to edit your profile. Now, in order to add a new picture without the zoomed in effect, make sure that the image you upload is in a 4:3 ratio. You just need to get the correct ratio and size to get rid of the zoom in effect, and that's it. As you can see, the picture I just uploaded doesn't have any zooming in issue. This is because the image is in the correct aspect ratio. So that's basically how you can make Tinder photos not zoomed in. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.